I'm so grateful that you're taking the time to hear about why our lunch program is asking for a donation for our new ovens. So what I can tell you is that the current ovens behind me here were purchased in 1975. Those ovens are over 45 years old. So I started in the lunch program approximately 3 years ago, and since the time that I started in the program, we have struggled to keep these ovens up and operational. We've had repair bills totaling over $2,000 in cost on our repair bills. So this year, Mr. Earl helped us get some pricing to replace these ovens, and it is going to cost us approximately $6,400 to get these ovens replaced. We've done a great job already with some other fundraisers, and we're raised about $1,800, so we have a little over $4,000 to go. Any amount you give will help us get to our end goal of getting these new ovens installed. These new ovens will cost us approximately $320 a year based on their expectancy, or $1.77 on a school day. And most importantly, in those 20 years, we can serve over 250,000 meals to students. 50% of our students are eating lunch every day with us, even during this strange year where they're eating in the classroom. If you could please help us take this to 2040 and beyond, you will continue the wonderful program of providing lunch at St. Mary's School.